The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the Moto E5 Plus for Virgin Mobile USA. So the Moto E5 Plus is now at Virgin Mobile. It finally is here at Virgin Mobile. So yeah, this is what the Moto E5 looks like. It's a really nice phone. It has great specs on it for what it is. This is a budget phone, so the specs on here are pretty damn good. The Moto E5 Plus at Virgin Mobile is $149.99. The regular price of the Moto E5 Plus is $179.99, but it's $149.99 right now at Virgin. So if you guys want to get this, get it while it's at $150. So that's the phone right there. It's a big ass phone there, and as you guys can see, that it has an 18:9 screen there, a front-facing camera, flash, earpiece, front-facing camera, your Motorola logo right down there, and your buttons for audio. On the right side of the phone, you have a volume button and power button there. So that's what the front of the phone looks like there, and I do like the clock as well. I'm a big fan of the clock. So yeah, this is the back of the Moto E5 Plus. You guys have a camera, dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor, and stuff like that. It looks like it is a glossy back, but it is a plastic back. It's not glass or anything like that. It's plastic, alright? And it's one camera, I think, not two. It's one camera, not two. It's just one. There's the right side of there, power button, and your volume button there. So yeah, device overview, and of course how it works is you order your phone, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a new contract plan, and activate it online, and keep your number or get a new number if you guys want to. You know the standard stuff there. It says say hello to the Moto E5 Plus, designed to fit your hand and your life. It packs a 6-inch max vision screen and up to a 1.5 day battery into a slim design. Capture sharp photos with a 12 megapixel camera featuring laser autofocus. Unlock your phone instantly with a fingerprint reader, and don't be afraid to get a little wet with a water repellent design. Moto E5 Plus, go big, alright? So it is not waterproof, but you guys can get the phone a little bit wet. So yeah. So the Moto E5 Plus has a 6-inch display there. It is 18:9 screen. It is an HD plus display, 12 megapixel rear camera, and 8 megapixel front facing camera, both with LED flash. Talk time up to 36 hours. 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. So that's nice. Specs, like I said, so the Moto E5 Plus weighs 7.5 ounces. Talk time, like I said, 36 hours. 1.4 GHz octa-core processor. Android 8.0 Oreo. It has a 6-inch display there. It has 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM, and a micro SD card slot. Bluetooth 4.2 and 5,000 mAh battery. The battery is not removable, guys, alright? So it has a big ass battery in there, so that's one of the main selling points of this phone is its battery. Big ass battery in there, so that's nice. So what you guys get in the box is you guys get the Moto E5 Plus, micro USB 2.0 charging cable, no Type C. You guys get the charger, important information booklet, get started guide, and SIM card installed, of course. And if you guys need help with your Moto E5 Plus, Virgin Mobile is here to help out. Is here to help out with that with device support. It says want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all your games and applications. Alright. And click there and it'll take you guys to the device help for the Moto E5 Plus, alright? We have got you covered. Whether you're drop prone or just want a peace of mind, you can protect your new phone from damage, loss, or theft for just $7 a month. Pre-loved or certified pre-loved phones are not eligible for insurance. and of course it is a 100% money back guaranteed, of course. So yeah, so there it is, guys, the Moto E5 Plus F Virgin Mobile. It's now available for $149.99. So it's about time that this phone got on Virgin Mobile. It's been available on Boost for a while. It's been available on Cricket for a while as well. So finally Virgin Mobile got their Moto E5 Plus. So it took them a long time to get theirs, but they finally got theirs now. It's $149.99 at Virgin Mobile. So that is pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will smell a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.